Make easy homemade macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is a cheesy recipe which you can serve for snacks, dinner, and even breakfast. This is also called mac and cheese, macaroni cheese, and macaroni pie. This is usually served in restaurants, and there are also packed versions of this food. You can buy a packed version on any convenience store, which consists of a box of pasta and powdered ingredients or liquid sauce which you need to mix with the pasta to have your ready-to-eat macaroni and cheese. If you want to eat noodles and you like a cheesy taste, then this is the menu for you. You can make this at home and serve this to your family, or if you have friends dropping by at your house, you can prepare this and share this yummy recipe with them. Here are the steps on how to make an easy homemade macaroni and cheese. Prepare the ingredients and materials that you will use in cooking your mac and cheese. The ingredients for this recipe are butter, macaroni noodles, cheese, milk, flour, breadcrumbs, pepper, cheese, and salt. The materials that you will use in preparing this recipe are oven, big spoons and saucepan. Cook the macaroni noodles. Put some water on the saucepan, add the noodles and put a dash of salt for the noodles to taste. Boil the noodles until cooked. Prepare the sauce. While waiting for the noodles to cook, you can now prepare the sauce for your mac and cheese. Get another saucepan and put it on top of the stove. Add milk, 2 cups, butter, 1/2 cup, flour, 2 tablespoons, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir the mixture and cook. If the sauce is about to boil, turn off the stove and add sharp cheddar cheese, 8 ounces. Because the mixture is hot, the cheese will melt easily. Stir the mixture well for the ingredients to combine properly. Prepare to bake your mac and cheese. Turn on the oven and set it to 400 degrees. While preheating the oven, get a baking pan and spray non-stick cooking oil. This is to prevent your mac and cheese from sticking to the pan. Remove water from macaroni noodles. Once macaroni noodles are cooked, remove the water by draining. Make sure that water is properly drained. Once done, put the drained noodles on the baking pan which you prepared. Get the sauce which you prepared earlier and pour this in the baking pan which contains the noodles. Get the large spoons and mix the macaroni and sauce well. Do this carefully to avoid breaking or smashing the noodles. Once the noodles and sauce are mixed properly, you can now add breadcrumbs on top of the mixture. This will give your mac and cheese a nice brownish color on top once done. Bake your mac and cheese. Once you're done putting breadcrumbs on top of the noodles, open the preheated oven and put the baking pan containing the noodles and sauce topped with breadcrumbs. Do not cover the baking pan. Close the oven and cook your mac and cheese. This will take about 20 minutes to bake. Once done, remove the baking pan from the oven and serve. Everyone will surely like this creamy and cheesy noodle recipe.